Hey dolls, and welcome back on my channel. On this video, we are going to compare the original Biore pore strip and their charcoal pore strip. When it comes to ingredients, the original pore strip has witch hazel and the charcoal one has charcoal, of course, and menthol. They pretty much look the same except for their color. The original one is white and the charcoal is black, but the thickness of the strip and the texture is pretty much the same. But I'm very curious to know which one performs better, so before applying this, I actually copied the steps I found on this YouTube video that has 10 million views. I'll put the link down below. So basically what she did was she applied heat on her face or steam using a warm face cloth. And in my case, I used my face steamer. And then I let the steam on my face for 8 to 10 minutes. After that, she used a mixture of baking soda and water and turned it into a paste and massaged it on her nose for 15 seconds. When she did it, after she removed the paste on her nose, her blackheads actually turned white and it looked softer. But in my case, nothing really happened. My blackheads looked the same. So I'm not sure how effective this hack was. So if you guys have tried it, let me know in the comments down below what your experience was. So after that baking soda treatment, I wet my face because the strip wouldn't stick on your skin if it's dry. So you really have to wet your skin before applying this nose strips. I applied the original nose strip on my right side and the charcoal on my left side. This one is very minty. Whoa. It's like a salon pass on your nose. I left both on for 15 minutes and you know it's ready when it hardens. After 15 minutes, I removed the original strip and I thought I recorded it using my microscope, but oopsies, I didn't hit the record button. But here's how the strip looks like. I think that the more obvious stuff that is removed from my nose are my nose hair, but I find that it only removed most of the stuff in the middle of my nose. It didn't really remove my blackheads on the side of my cheeks and on the top of my nose. Now let's look at the charcoal side. This is what it looks like in the microscope.
Whoa. This side is so sticky. Like the grip on this side is crazy. Oh.
And when I was removing it, I can really feel the adhesion on my skin. It's quite strong that my eyes started to water. I had runny nose. It was quite painful, but still tolerable. But I was so surprised when I looked at the strip. I got a lot more blackheads on it. Even the blackheads on the side of my cheeks, and you would notice that there are blackheads from end to end with this strip. That being said, I think that when it comes to removing blackheads, the charcoal one gets the job better than the original pore strip. The adhesive on this charcoal strip is very strong, so if you have sensitive skin, you might want to just stick with the original version. It's not as effective, but it's not as painful as the charcoal one. Personally, I like nose strips that have very strong grip, and I don't have sensitive skin, so I like the charcoal one better. Also, the charcoal one is being marketed for people with oily skin. The original one doesn't have any indication whether it's for normal or sensitive skin. But again, if you have sensitive skin, I would recommend the original one because it is milder on your face and it wouldn't make your nose really red. So that's it. That's my comparison between the two. What do you guys think? Which one do you prefer? The original one or the charcoal one? I hope that you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll always be updated once a new video is out. Thank you so much, dolls, again for watching. I'll see you in my next one.